If you've been looking for a magnesium supplement that's gentle, actually absorbable, and works without upsetting your stomach, this one is probably a great option for you. This one has a bioavailable form of magnesium so your body can actually use it effectively. This one gives you 275 milligrams of magnesium from, I cannot pronounce the word, but from magnesium glycinate, which the body absorbs really well. It helps support calmness, relaxation, helps with better sleep. It's really good for those of us working out, for muscle recovery, help to ease tension, even supports your nervous system and heart function. These ones are very easy to digest. It's a non-laxative and it's very well tolerated in most people. This one is a clean formula with no fillers, artificial additives, and it is vegan friendly. It's also made right here in the United States, which is super cool. Each bottle is a 1 month supply, and it's easy just to take daily. And it's really good for anybody dealing with stress, muscle issues, sleep struggles, or just wanting an overall better feeling in their body. It's great for people who are active in their lifestyle as well.